Hi guys, good morning to all. Welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif, teaching IIT JEE Mains and Advanced Math from past 16 years, taught math in India as well as abroad. Currently working as head of the maths department and vice principal of Giraffe Learning. Before I start up the session guys, let me tell you about the Unacademy Plus subscription, right? So these are the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants, right, and 2022 aspirants as well. 12 months plan, it will be 12375. That is 1031 per month. This is my referral code. Enter this referral code, you get 10% discount. 6 months it's 10125. That is 1688 per month. And per month it is 2280. It's a throwaway price in Karnataka. Enter this referral code, you get 10% discount. You get all this guys. You get premium content at affordable price. Premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPP, that is daily practice paper, full-length mock, etc. with analysis. Single subscription for unlimited. All this comes in under single subscription for unlimited access. And below the description below the description box, there's a link there. Okay, please go through that link for my free special classes, for my special classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform. If you're new here guys, I welcome all the newcomers. All right, welcome to Unacademy free YouTube session, live session. All right, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my classes guys. Alright, so we are starting with applications of derivatives session 1. Okay, in the previous sessions we have done differentiations of six classes something. Yeah, 6 class sessions we have done. Right, maybe next month I'm going to continue with that. There are some more questions left out, so we will start with applications of derivative. All these are PYQs of CET and Comet K guys. So let's start with applications of derivative. Right, question number 1. If y is equal to 4x minus 5 as a tangent to the curve at 2, 3, then what should be the values of p and q? So let me do the question like this. Okay, suppose I take this as x-axis and y-axis. Okay, fine. Right, let me get right here. Okay, I'm going to draw a tangent. Okay, tangent at the point is 2, 3. Point is 2, 3, and this curve will be equal to y square is equal to px cube plus q. Px cube plus q. Okay, this is x, this is y, and then this is 0. Right, so let me differentiate this. And the tangent line is also given. Okay, y equal to, this y is equal to 4x minus 5 is a tangent to the curve y square is equal to px cube plus q. What should be the values of p and q? So I'm going to take y square is equal to px cube plus q. Right. So if I differentiate with respect to x, let's call this as equation 1. Right. Let me call here itself equation 1. If I differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx. Okay. P is a constant. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Q is a constant, it is 0. Now dy by dx is equal to 3px squared upon 2y. Okay, now dy by dx at the point 2, 3. 2, 3 is equal to 3 into p. okay, into 2 square. 2 square divided by 2 into 3. So this will cancel, you will get this as 2p. Right, 2 will cancel with the square, 3 will cancel with 3. You get this as 2p, that is slope of tangent. This is m. Okay, that's equal to slope of tangent. This is m, that's equal to slope of tangent. Right, this is slope of tangent. This is of the form y is, what's the tangent given? Y equal to 4x minus 5. This is of the form y equal to mx plus c. Right, so slope of the tangent is equal to m equal to 4. Right, this is m equal to 4, slope of the tangent m is equal to 4. M equal to 4, that's already given in the question. If I equate the two values of m, you will get this as 2p is equal to 4. 2p is equal to 4, you get p is equal to 2. So I got the value of p, guys. If I get the value of p, this means that this is ruled out and this is ruled out. So either it should be A or D. Now what I'll do is, since the curve passes through, equation 1 passes through, okay, equation 1 passes through 2 comma 3, right? So if I, in place of x you put 2, in place of y you put 3 in equation 1, you will get equation 1 implies, let me write here, equation 1 becomes 3 square is equal to p into 2 cube plus q. So you get 9 is equal to 8 into p. 8 into p is 2, okay, plus q. From this I can write q is equal to 9 minus 16. Q is equal to minus 7. Q is equal to minus 7. So p is 2, p is equal to 2, q is equal to minus 7. That's the first option only. Is it okay? Now you don't want to do all this, guys. Just take this curve, okay, take the point 2 comma 3, or you can just do like this. Okay, this is the curve, right? This is the curve is y square is equal to, this curve is y square is equal to px cube plus q. Px cube plus q, and the point is 2 comma 3. You take 2 comma 3 and substitute here, you will get this as 9 is equal to 8p plus q. You understand? No need to do the problem. Take the options and check and substitute and check which option will satisfy. Is it okay? So just take the point, you get 8p plus q is equal to 9, okay, and you know the options p and q. Take p and q and substitute. Check, even only the first option will satisfy. What's the first option, guys? P is equal to 2 and q is equal to minus 7. So if I substitute here, you get 9 is equal to 8 into 2, okay, minus 7. So you get 9 is equal to 9. Answer is option E only. You understand, guys? That's too simple. Just take the point and substitute. You will get the answer. Alright, let's move to the next question. The point on the curve y square is equal to x, where the tangent makes an angle pi by 4 with x axis. Okay, let me do the question like this. Okay, this is the curve, right? This curve is y square is equal to x. This curve is y square is equal to x. Okay, the point on the curve y square is equal to x. This is pi by 4. Tangent is making an angle pi by 4 with x axis. Okay, y square equal to x can be written as, if I differentiate this, let's call equation 1, 2y into dy by dx. 2y into dy by dx is equal to 1, and from this I can write dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2y. 1 upon 2y, this is m. You understand? This is slope of tangent. But it's given the question, tangent is making an angle pi by 4 with the positive direction of x axis. M is equal to tan 45, m equal to tan theta. That's equal to 1. Right? So if I equate the two values of m, here m is equal to 1, here m is equal to 1 upon 2y. If I equate the two values of m, you will get this as 1 by 2y is equal to 1. And if I cross multiply, you get y is equal to half. You get y equal to half. If I substitute in equation 1, you get 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to x. Okay, you get x is equal to 1 upon 4. X equal to 1 upon 4, there's only one option. This is ruled out, this is ruled out, this is ruled out. Answer should be C. Isn't it? Or you substitute here, you substitute in equation 1, you will get y square is equal to 1 upon 4. You will get y is equal to half. Actually plus minus half. Okay, so y is equal to plus half. Is it okay, guys? So answer will be equal to option C only. 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Approximate change in volume V of a cube of side x meters caused by increasing the side by 3%. Errors and approximations. Applications of derivative. Okay, let me do the question like this. We know that delta y by delta x, errors and approximations, delta y by delta x is equal to dy by dx approximately. Isn't it? If I cross multiply, you will get delta y is equal to dy by dx into delta x. Delta y is dy by dx into delta x. Now I'm supposed to find the approximate change in volume V of a cube. That is, I should find delta V. I'm supposed to find out what is delta V. Is it okay? Now, delta y is equal to, okay, let me keep this as it is. Okay, now delta y is equal to dv by dx into delta x. You understand? This is delta v. Delta v is dv by dx into delta x. Okay, I'm supposed to find approximate change in volume of a cube of side by increasing by 3%. So volume of a cube, if you take a cube, volume of a cube is equal to side cube, that is equal to x cube. If you differentiate, you get dv by dx is equal to differentiation of x cube as 3x square. And it's also given a question side by increasing the side by 3%. So this means that delta x, okay, it's also given a question that delta x is equal to 3% of x. 3% of x, that's equal to 3 by 100 of x. 3% of x, that is equal to 3 by 100. 3 by 100 of x. Okay, let me substitute here. So delta v is equal to dv by dx. dv by dx is 3x square into delta v is equal to 3 by 100 of x. Okay, so this is equal to 9x cube. 9x cube by 100, right? Unit is meter, right? Caused by increasing x meter. Unit is meter. So this is equal to 0.09. 0.09 x cube, and then unit is meter, so it should be meter cube. That's the first option. Answer is option A. Okay guys, let's move to the next question. Question number 4. I'm supposed to find the local minimum value of this function given by fx is equal to 3 plus modulus of x. Alright, now listen, no need to do the problem. What's the minimum value of mod, guys? Mod is a V-shaped graph, right? Mod is a V-shaped graph, and you get a sharp edge at 0. This is y is equal to x, and y is equal to mod x. Okay, minimum value f of x is equal to mod x. Minimum value of mod will be 0. F minimum, let me write like this. F minimum is equal to, okay, let me write, this will hide. Alright, now let me do like this. F of x is equal to mod x. F of x is equal to modulus of x. Okay, minimum value of mod will be equal to 0. F minimum is equal to 0. Minimum value of mod will be equal to 0. Right, now I'm supposed to find the local minimum value. F minimum, local minimum, F minimum is equal to 3 plus minimum value of mod will be 0. Right, so answer will be equal to 3. Answer option B. Good question. Simple one. Modulus of x, minimum value of mod is 0. It's a V-shaped graph and you get a sharp edge at 0. So F minimum is equal to 0. F minimum will be 3 only. Right, now let's use Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem is not applicable in which of the following cases? It should be continuous in the closed interval, derivable in the open interval. Rolle's theorem, right? So if I take like this, it should be continuous in the closed interval, derivable in the open interval. right? And f of a should be equal to f of b. That is, if I take this as a, this fellow will be f of a, this will be f of b, this will be f of b. So continuous in the closed interval, derivable in the open interval, and f of a should be equal to f of b. Okay, so this will be f of a is equal to f of b. Alright, now listen. Rolle's theorem is not applicable in which of the following cases? Yeah, so it should be option D only, because why? When you take f of x is equal, I'll come back to other options as well. Alright, if I take suppose option D, option D, f of x is equal to, alright, modulus of x in closed interval -2 and +2, right? So mod x at -2 and +2 is a v-shaped graph. It's a v-shaped graph and you get a sharp edge at 0, right? So it is continuous in the closed interval, derivable in the open, continuous in the closed interval, mod is continuous, there's no break in the graph, but at x is equal to 0 you get a sharp edge, so f is not differentiable. F is not differentiable at x is equal to 0 because you get a sharp edge. At x is equal to 0, it's not differentiable because you get a sharp edge at 0. That's why Rolle's theorem is not applicable here. In this problem, no problem. In the first option, f of x is equal to x square minus x. It's a polynomial function, so it should be continuous in the closed interval, derivable in the open interval, and also f of 0 is equal to f of 1. F of 0 is equal to f of 1. No problem. Alright, here also same. F of x is equal to box x is discontinuous at integral points. At non-integral points it is continuous and differentiable as well. And f of 2.5 is equal to f of 2.7 because box of 2.5 is 2, box of 2.7 is also 2, so it is continuous and differentiable. So option E is correct, option B is correct. Even here f of 1 is equal to f of 2, f of 3. So polynomial function continuous and differentiable, f of 1 equal to f of 3. Answer should be f of D. Last option, sorry, option D. Because you get a sharp edge at 0 and it is not differentiable, hence Rolle's theorem is not applicable. So answer should be option D. Logical question. Alright, question number 6, guys. The equation of the normal to the curve where the tangent crosses the x-axis. Okay, now in this particular question, equation of the tangent to the curve, equation of the normal to the curve where the tangent crosses x-axis. Okay, when the tangent crosses x-axis, it should be this, like this, na? Tangent and normal will meet at the same point. So this will be the point. Whenever the tangent crosses x-axis, let me write here. Tangent crosses x-axis, y will be equal to 0. Okay, so let me write here, since the tangent crosses, okay, since the tangent crosses x-axis, tangent crosses x-axis, y is equal to 0. If I put y equal to 0 in equation 1, let me call this equation 1. Right, so you will get this as 0 is equal to 2 minus x. That is x is equal to 2. You understand? So no need to find tangent, normal, nothing. So what is the point, guys? Point is 2, 0. I just take this 2, 0 and substitute in the options and check which will satisfy. If I substitute 2 here, this will be equal to 2 plus 0 plus 10 is equal to 0. So this fellow is ruled out. If I substitute here, you will get 2 plus 0 plus 10 is equal to 0. Not possible, ruled out. Okay, 2 minus 0 minus 10 is equal to 0. So ruled out, not possible. You will get this as 10 minus 0 minus 10 equal to 0. This is possible. Answer is option D. You still want to do the question? No problem. Go ahead. You want to do the problem, right? Because in JEE Main, the question is normal passes through the point and then he'll give you the options. He will not give you the tangent equation. Okay. Normal passes through the point. He'll give you one more point and then you should find the equation the normal. Take the particular point, substitute in the options and then check. Alright. So under that case, so the such cases you have to do it. Y is equal to, let me do it in the next slide. Okay, now if I want to do the normal and then find the equation normal, okay, method. So I am going to write y is equal to 1 plus x square. Y is equal to 1 plus x square into 2 minus x. Okay, just now we found out the point. Point was 2, 0. Is it not? Point is 2, 0. Yes, this is x1, y1. Right, if I differentiate with respect to x now. Differentiate with respect to x. First function is y. Differentiation of second function is 0 plus 2x. Second function is 1 plus x square. Okay, and then differentiation of y is dy by dx is equal to 0 minus 1. Right, now you take the point 2 comma 0 and substitute here. In place of x you put 2, in place of y you put 0. You get 0 plus 2 into 2. Anyways, that's 0 only. Anyways, this fellow is 0. Okay, plus 1 plus 2 square into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by minus 1. And from here I get dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 5. I get minus 1 upon 5. This is equal to slope m. But I am supposed to find equation of normal, right? So what is equation of normal now? Equation of normal will be equal to y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is equal to 0, minus 1 upon m. Minus m is minus 1 by 5, minus 1 upon m is plus 5 into x minus x1, that is 2. You get 5 is equal to y is equal to 5x minus 10. Okay, shift on the left side, right side, you get 5x minus y minus 10 equal to 0. That's the answer, guys. Yes, last option only, 5x minus y minus 10 equal to 0. Better than CET, just take the point and substitute the options and check which will satisfy. Right, question number 7. Right, before I go to this question, guys, let me just brief you about this. See, whenever you have angle intersection between the two curves, you've already done in 11th standard coordinate geometry, angle of intersection between the two lines. Okay, suppose I have like this. Let's say this is one curve and you have another curve, and both will cut at 90 degrees, both will cut at theta. Okay, so this is theta 1, this is theta 2, exterior angle, interior angle, and then you know the angle of intersection between the two curves. Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2, okay, upon 1 plus m1 into m2. This is angle of intersection between the two curves. Now whenever the two curves touch each other, okay, whenever the two curves touch each other like this, then m1 is equal to m2. Okay, and whenever two curves cut at right angles, they cut each other at 90 degree, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so two curves touch each other, m1 is equal to m2, two curves cut at right angles, that is orthogonal. This is 90 degree. This will be 90 degree. Two curves cut each other orthogonally, then m1, m2 is equal to minus 1, that is orthogonally. Two curves cut each other orthogonally or perpendicular or at right angles, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So the question is, two curves touch each other, cut at right angle, cut at an angle pi by 3 or cut at pi by 4. Let me differentiate the first curve. Okay, x cube minus 3x into y square plus 2 is equal to 0. Right, and now if I differentiate with respect to x, okay, differentiation of x cube is 3x square minus 3 into a bracket, first function is x, differentiation of y square is 2y into dy by dx, plus second function is y square and differentiation of x is 1. Okay, close the bracket, differentiation of 2 is 0 and that's equal to 0. And I'm going to write this as 3x square minus this is 6xy into dy by dx minus 3y square, okay, is equal to 0. Between first term and the last term, I'm going to take 3 common. 3 times this is x square minus y square is equal to 6xy into dy by dx. This will cancel 2 times. And from this, I can write dy by dx is equal to x square minus y square, okay, upon 2xy. This is slope of the tangent m1. This is m1. Understand? So let me differentiate the second curve as well. This will be equal to 3x square into y minus y cube is equal to 2. Now if I differentiate with respect to x, 3 is a constant, right? Take this in a bracket. First function is x square. Differentiation of y is dy by dx plus second function is y, and then differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of y cube is 3y square into dy by dx. This 2 is a constant, it will be 0. Right now, so this can be written as 3x square, or you divide by 3. Right? Let us divide by 3. So this becomes x square into dy by dx. X square into dy by dx plus 2xy. So this is, if I divide by 3, here itself I'll write down x square into dy by dx plus 2xy minus y square into dy by dx is equal to 0. Yeah, this is equal to 0. I'm going to take common between the first term and the last term. Okay, let me take dy by dx common. Right, 1 and 2. So this becomes x square minus y square into dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to minus 2xy. Okay, and from this I can write dy by dx is equal to minus 2xy divided by x square minus y square. Okay, this is m2. Yeah, this will be m2. So once I know m1 and m2, right? Once I know m1 into m2, then m1 into m2 is equal to, just check they are reciprocal of each other. m1 into m2 is equal to, m1 is how much? m1 will be equal to x square minus y square divided by 2xy. Okay, into m2. m2 will be equal to minus 2xy divided by x square minus y square. Divided by x square minus y square. So this will cancel and this will cancel. You will get this is minus 1. So m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Two curves cut each other orthogonally. They cut at right angles. Answer is option B. Hope you understood, guys. Just differentiate the first curve, differentiate the second curve, and then multiply m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So they cut at right angles only. They cut each other orthogonally. Okay, so this will be the basic. Just go through this once. So let's move to the next question. The rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius r. So rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius r, I am supposed to find out dA by dr when r is equal to 2 centimeter. When r is equal to 2 centimeter. Right, we all know that area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Now if I substitute dA by dr, okay, pi is a constant, differentiation of r square is 2r. Now dA by dr, right, when radius is equal to 2, so this becomes pi into 2 into 2, right, so that's equal to 4 pi. Area, right, centimeter square, and radius is centimeter, so I get this as 4 pi centimeter. 4 pi centimeter, answer is option A. You understand, guys? Everybody on platform, yeah. So let's move to the next question, guys. Okay, question number 9. Right, I just do this question and wind up. We will, yeah. Yes, Amok Shetty, right? Answer is option A, right? Alright, let's do one more question, guys, before I wind up. Okay, we will continue next session. Okay, we'll do one more question. A balloon which always remains spherical is being inflated by pumping in 10 cubic centimeter of gas per second. So centimeter cube should be volume because it comes in 3D. Rate of change of volume with respect to time, okay, is equal to 10 centimeter cube. So this will be equal to 10 centimeter cube cc cube, right, per second. So that's given in the question. All right. Find the rate at which the radius is increasing. Radius of the balloon is increasing. I'm supposed to find out dr by dt. dr by dt when the radius is 15 centimeter, when r is equal to 15. Right? We know that volume of a sphere, 10 stand mensuration, guys. Volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. We have done in 12th as well. Volume of a sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now if I differentiate dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 into pi. Differentiation of r cube is 3r square into dr by dt. This fellow will cancel, 3 and 3 cancels. dv by dt will be equal to 10. That's already given in question. 10 is equal to 4 pi. 4 pi into r square. Okay, and then dr by dt. So I can write this as dr by dt. This will cancel now, 2 and 5. So dr by dt is equal to 5 divided by 2 pi r square. Yes, 5 upon 2 pi r square. Okay, now dr by dt when r is equal to 15. R is equal to 15. So this can be written as 5 divided by 2 pi. Okay, into 15 square. So this can be written as 5 divided by 2 pi. 15 square can be written as 15 into 15. This will cancel 3 times. Okay, this is equal to 1 upon 90. 1 upon 90 pi, radius, right? So it should be centimeter per second. Yes, guys. So before I wind up, guys, let me just remind you about once again about Unacademy Plus subscription. Alright, if you're new here, guys, please subscribe and enable the bell icon. Alright, so that you get notifications of all my classes. Alright, and below the description table, below the description box, yes, Madhulika, right? Below the description box there is a link, guys. Enable test that link, guys. Follow that link to attend my free classes, KCET classes, special classes, and plus classes on Unacademy platform. And please do follow me on an Unacademy app as well. Alright, guys. So before I wind up, guys, let me remind you about the Unacademy Plus subscription. For 12 months it is 12375. That is 1031 per month. Enter this referral code to get 10% discount. And for 6 months it's 10125, 1688 per month. Ideal for the KCET 2021 aspirants, and per month 2250. You get all this, guys, premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPP, the daily practice paper full length mock with analysis. You get all this under single subscription, guys. So thanks for joining me. Alright, please do watch, like and share my video, guys, and enable the bell icon to please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my other YouTube sessions as well. So I'm going to meet you guys on 26th of this month, okay, at 11 a.m. in the morning. 11 a.m. Alright, see you then, guys. Bye, take care, and God bless you. Thanks for joining me, guys.